uRelebogile Mofokeng is uncomparable to players current. Mina ngikhuluma ngegeneration yamanje. I've never seen after a while a player ekule age kuye. Ama-player performer eSouth Africa, ama-players a second chance to teams. Umuntu uthola ukuthi ukhulele ku-Chiefs and then bamloan ubuya na-27 kanadlala. Ukhulela ku-Sundowns and then they loan him amakabuya T30 ngikhuluma nge-peak time, immaturity kula seka-matured and then uzoperforma to the certain level. The list goes on. Maning la uma player. I don't want to mention their name, but Luana performer first season. Go Pirates. La ngithi manje the boy for late kathulenzaba bu Steve. Bona butso. Set the standard at the early age. So Nomfana he is counted amongst those players for me because a national team player, regular call up chola. It's a pity coach I believe kuye lo bafana ukuthi amqalise ngoma ngikhuluma ngama game official. One of the best for me South Africa has ever produced. It's a right time. As I ngana wrong kulo mfana. uRelebogile Mofokeng mfethu isikhathi esiright ukuthi ahambe. Umfana kahambe izo benefit South African football, not Orlando Pirates, not his father, not South African football. Yes, biological family abazali. I'm talking about the parents, umama nobaba. Izo benefit but the national is a benefit. Sure, especially if you can go not to in Israel, in Europe, because I believe you can play in Spain. Barcelona. I think it's Spanish football, not England. I know England is mine. It is.
It's the biggest league in the world.
But the way football is
it's a different type. It's physical.
Yeah, so maybe Man City credit to Pep. Well done, English football would bring Pep. Or he brought another dimension there. But it's only him for me. So Manga Spain. I'm going my team that the boy can fit like a glove. Mfana is leaving. I don't think he'll stay this season. Orlando Pirates.
Right.
Opa made you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.